Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Yoga in Action, navigating the new world of work with inner mastery. Ladies and gentlemen, a silent shift is sweeping across the professional world. Once defined by routine rules, fixed hours, and familiar walls, the workplace has now become a dynamic terrain, fluid, digital, intelligent, and ever evolving. Automation handles repetition. Artificial intelligence interprets data. Remote ecosystems stretch beyond borders. And amidst this rapid change, a deeper question emerges, not just about how to adapt, but how to align. In a world where everything is accelerating, anchoring becomes essential. When action is unmoved, exhaustion follows. But when action is rooted in stillness and awareness, it becomes powerful. This is yoga in action, not in posture, but in presence, not in escape, but in engagement. Technology is transforming what work looks like. AI is not merely replacing routine, it is creating space for humans to rise into creativity, strategy, and meaningful problem solving. The shift demands more than new skills. It calls for a new state of being. True readiness begins with self-preparation in consciousness, merging personal and professional awareness into a unified field of inner clarity. This begins by understanding the human energy system. First, physical energy. The base of vitality is sustained by rhythm, rest, nutrition, and breath. Second, mental energy, the source of focus and learning, is nourished by clarity, silence, and mindfulness. Third, emotional energy, the fuel for connection, grows through compassion, expression, and emotional discipline. Fourth, aspirational energy, the drive for growth, is awakened by vision, meaning, and long-range purpose. Fifth, spiritual energy, the highest, aligns all others towards conscious action, where work becomes a sacred offering. To generate and direct these energies effectively, foundational disciplines must be restored. A circadian rhythm that honors the intelligence of sunrise, breath, and rest activates cellular alignment. Mornings for stillness, midday for execution, evening for introspection. This ancient wisdom, now confirmed by chronobiology and neuroscience, builds resilience and reduces decision fatigue. As the Bhagavad Gita suggests, the mind must be like a steady flame in a windless place. In modern times, this is flow state, a convergence of awareness and action, unshaken by distraction. In an age of multitasking, yoga in action means full presence in each moment. Writing an email with attention, listening without preoccupation, designing with mindfulness, delivering outcomes not from compulsion but from inner clarity. Communication becomes sacred, not persuasive but resonant. Speech arising from inner stillness holds weight. It builds trust, not noise. Discipline becomes effortless when aligned with purpose. Concentration is not control, it is coherence. It does not fight distraction, it transcends it by turning in. Wisdom arises when perception deepens. Compassion grows when judgment dissolves. Competency expands when learning becomes intentional. What's the way forward? The future of work will not belong to those who chase more, but to those who are more integrated. Integration is the new intelligence. It harmonizes ambition with awareness, speed with stillness, and achievement with meaning. Success will not be measured only in metrics, but in the ability to show up fully, physically strong, mentally clear, emotionally stable, aspirationally driven, and spiritually anchored. This is inner mastery, and it is teachable, trainable, livable. In this, yoga is not a break from work. It is the highest refinement of work. It makes each action intentional, each choice conscious, each challenge an opportunity for expansion. Multitasking then becomes a dance of awareness, streamlined, not scattered. Decisions become declarations of alignment. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the future is not a battlefield to conquer. It is a sacred space to cultivate. Amidst AI, hybrid models, and digital acceleration, the human being remains the central instrument of meaning. Those who choose awareness over anxiety, purpose over pressure, and alignment over ambition will shape the new story of work not just for self but for collective evolution. In the Bhagavad Gita, as Arjuna stood in confusion and doubt, Krishna did not ask him to abandon the battlefield. Instead, he said, "Therefore, O Arjuna, rise with resolve and engage in the work that must be done." This is the call today, not to escape complexity, but to enter it with consciousness, to bring stillness into speed, wisdom into ambition, and yoga into action. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.